Hello, Jason from Septic Tank TV, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to make your onion-shaped septic tank legal. So why would you want to make your onion-shaped septic tank legal? Well, these tanks are made from fiberglass and they were very popular from the 80s to the beginning of 2000. And the reason why they've been made illegal is because of all the poo and the filth and the raw sewage literally comes straight out into your soil, which is a pollution risk to your family, to your neighbours, to rivers, stuff like that. Now, you've only got two ways in which to make your onion-shaped septic tank legal. You can just put a whole new system in. It'll cost you about 15,000-20,000 quid. Some people do that, number one. But the reason I made this video is because I want to show you option two. It's an option you may not know, you may not have considered, but it'll make your septic tank legal and save you 15,000 quid. So have a look at this. This is called an ecosystem septic tank converter. It's a small little black box made in Germany for excuse me, for the UK government. So let me show you how easy it is to install, and oh man, and how amazing it is at converting, turning your raw sewage into almost clean mineral water. So here we go. So here we've got the, let me just get back onto the onion tank here. So here's your onion tank, right? So the first thing that you need to do is, if I just zoom out here, is to dig a hole by your existing onion tank. And you just dig a small hole. Takes about 40 minutes, something like that. Then you put in the ecosystem septic tank converter. There it is. So let me just zoom in on this for you. It's a non-electric black box. It's really beautiful looking, but you're not buying it for its beauty. You're buying it because of what it does. So now let me show you how it works. So all the poo and wee goes and horrible stuff goes into your septic tank. The liquid then leaves the septic tank. It goes into the converter here, and then it's called a septic tank converter because it converts the sewage water from your septic tank into clean mineral water. Look at that. And literally, you know, you can put this thing in about, man alive, 2 hours, and you can do it. You can get your builder to do it, but the beauty is it gives you an MOT certificate, because as I said, every septic tank now needs an MOT certificate. So you put this in, you get your MOT certificate, and then you give that to the people who are buying your house or the building regs guy that comes around, and job done. You set your onion-shaped septic tank. Let me just get back onto it. Your septic tank, your onion-shaped septic tank is now 100% legal. So how cool is that, right? That's why I love making these videos, because I love helping people. I love saving people money. And so if you want to do a little bit more research, just go on to Google and type in ecosystem septic tank converter, and you'll see a little bit more information about this amazing system. Or you can just go to septictank.co.uk and you can see more information on it there, and free videos and stuff like that. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.